Guys, today we're going to be making a sparkler bomb for once. This, some sparklers, some tape, roll out, scissors, matches, and some paper. Make it, you're just going to buy a pack of 25, what's that say? Whatever that says, sparklers. They're pretty good. Let's take out 6 to make this bomb. 5. No, let's get one more. Okay, next step. Let's take this little strip of paper that I cut and bunch up all your sparklers and put them here and start wrapping them around very tightly. Get a piece of wire about as big as the sparkler and wrap it around the paper to make it secure. And okay, it doesn't really matter how you put it around the paper, it just needs to be tight. And then you wrap another one around the top. Now you have your bomb here, and now it's time to light it. Okay, let's light this thing up. Just move over here to make it better. Just gonna light this one up. Now watch. Yeah, that was a pretty cool explosion. Only lasts for about a couple of seconds, but then it keeps going and then it about stops now. Okay, now let's inspect actually what happened to the thing. As you can see, it got pretty shanked. Yeah, so that's the explosion you should expect if you make it right. And make sure not to put too much paper and light it from the first sparkler, but at the bottom of the sparkler. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, legends.